How to buy coin on Solana network. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you would require a Solana wallet, and Phantom wallet is the best example of Solana wallet. So you can get Phantom wallet from any web search. Just simply search for it, you would get it quite easily. You can also check out our video how you can set Phantom wallet on our channel itself. So just get Phantom wallet and open up any Solana exchange. Jupiter is one such exchange. You can also buy coins or Solana coins on Solana network using Radium or Meteora. It just depends on what coin you want to purchase and what platform you prefer. These are called decentralized exchanges. So simply open up any of the decentralized exchange which is for the Solana like Jupiter, and after that connect your Phantom wallet with Jupiter by clicking over here. After that, select the option or the crypto that you have in your wallet. First, you will require some crypto in your wallet, Phantom wallet, in order to purchase any crypto or coin. So Solana is the go-to coin on Phantom wallet or the Solana network. In order to pay any gas fees, you require Solana. So get some Solana on your Phantom wallet, and after that you can purchase different coins. Like I loaded some Solana over here in order to pay the gas fees. Now I can purchase any of the coin if that I want. All I have to do is just simply search for that particular coin over here on Solana network. Like I want to purchase USDT using my Solana. I will simply select Solana on the top and USDT at the bottom. Then simply type the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase USDT. Simply type that amount and click on this option of swap. Now it will prompt me on my Phantom wallet to sign this particular transaction. After I confirm this particular transaction, I will be able to purchase USDT using Solana, and this way you can purchase any crypto or any coin on Solana network using Phantom wallet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.